Black holes are one of the most mysterious things in the entire universe. They are regions in space where gravity is so strong that even light cannot escape. Nothing that crosses a black hole's boundary can ever come back. Not matter, not even time itself. A black hole forms when a massive star reaches the end of its life and explodes in a supernova. After the explosion, the star's core collapses under its own gravity, compressing all its mass into an incredibly tiny and dense point called a singularity. Around that singularity lies an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Once something crosses the event horizon, it's gone forever. What's inside a black hole? No one really knows. Scientists believe that the laws of physics, as we understand them, completely break down inside. Some theories say that the singularity might create a wormhole, a tunnel to another universe, or a different point in space and time. But these are still just theories. No one has ever gone inside a black hole and returned to tell us what's there. There are different types of black holes. Stellar black holes form when massive stars collapse. Supermassive black holes exist at the center of most galaxies, including our Milky Way, where one called Sagittarius A star sits. Intermediate black holes fall between these two in size, and primordial black holes are hypothetical ones that may have formed right after the Big Bang. But so far, we haven't found any proof of them. If an object comes too close to a black hole, it experiences extreme gravitational pull. The difference in gravity between its head and feet is so strong that the object stretches like a long noodle. This process is called spaghettification. Even light bends around black holes because their gravity distorts the very fabric of space and time. In 2019, humanity captured the first ever image of a black hole, located in the center of the M87 galaxy. The image was taken using a global network of telescopes known as the Event Horizon Telescope. It was a historic moment for science, proving that what Einstein predicted over a century ago was real. But the biggest questions remain. Can we ever see what's truly inside a black hole? Could it be a doorway to another universe? Science doesn't have those answers yet. Maybe in the future we'll find a way to look inside, or maybe black holes will forever remain the universe's greatest mystery. Black holes remind us that our universe is far stranger and more powerful than we can imagine. They challenge everything we know about space, time, and reality itself.